Here we go. So today's objective, I can subtract real numbers. Turn to your neighbor, let them know what we're doing today. And if you were to tell them what the concept for today was, what would be the concept? And we still haven't finished real numbers, right? We started on Wednesday with addition. We started yesterday with subtraction. We're going to finish today. And I gave you guys for you to take Cornell notes. We didn't need the box or the Ferrier model, but here it goes again, the concept. Here's the definition. Real number, set of all numbers to be represented on the number line. Gave you guys examples and non-examples. We said that this non-example has a specific name. Think about it. Okay? Tell your neighbor what the name of that is. Yeah, so pretty much by now everybody should know if they're not on the real number line, they are imaginary. Okay? And then from there we are going into some steps. And one thing that you're noticing is that pretty much the same steps as addition, we're just adding the first step that's different. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay. So words to circle with red to remember. Step 1, you're going to circle the word add. Underline opposite of the second number. That's something very important to remember. For the second step, you're going to circle the word represent. Underline on the number line. Step 3, circle the word identify. Underline 0 pairs. Circle the word use. Underline absolute values. And the last one, very important, simplify. Simplify. All right, so 4 easy steps. Number 1, add the opposite of the second number to the first. And I think I repeated that like forever in the day, didn't I? Yeah, so hopefully you went home, you were like singing it on your way home, right? Add the opposite of the second number to the first. Step 2, represent each number on the number line. Step 3, identify 0 pairs or use absolute values to add. And step 4, simplify. Step 1, add the opposite of the second number to the first. Step 2, represent the numbers on the number line with positive symbols. Step 3, identify 0 pairs or use absolute values to add. And step number 4, simplify. Okay? So I'll give you 30 seconds. Tell them to your neighbor. Your neighbor's going to tell them back to you to make sure they got them. All right, so we got our steps down. So write this down. Right underneath your steps, write example number 1. Example number 1. Example 1, it says, find the difference. Example 1, find the difference. 5 minus, open parentheses, negative 4, close parentheses. Find the difference. 5 minus, open parentheses, negative 4, close parentheses. All right? Pens down. Okay, eyes up here, please, on the screen. Writing utensils down. Focus, please. Here we go. Now, some of the common mistakes that some of you made last year when you were adding and subtracting integers or other numbers such as decimals and fractions was this first step. That's why I said it so many times to see if it sunk in. So here we go. Look at this one. Our first step says add the opposite of the second number to the first. What is my second number? Negative 4. So what is the opposite? Positive 4. And we're going to add that to our first number. What is the first number? 5. So did you notice that the first number did not change? Which is the only one that changed? The second one, right? All right, so check this out. So do we know what to do from here? Yes, check this out. I'm going to use my number line. I'm going to go ahead and sketch this. Start at 0. And I go 5 steps to the right. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. And then from there, it says to add how many more? 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we land on 9. And the answer is 9. If I use tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have any 0 pairs? No. All we do is count them, and it's positive 9. How about the last one? Absolute value of 5. 5. Absolute value of 4. 4. Are they the same sign? We add them, so 4 plus 5, that's 9. And what sign are both of them? Positive, so it stays a positive. Copy that, please. Okay, copy this example down. Example number 2. Example 2. Let's do this one together. Example 2. Find the difference. 13 minus 21. 13 minus 21. 13 minus 21. Okay, everyone, what is our first step? So what is my second number right now? What is the opposite of positive 21? So then we open up paren, it's negative 21. And we're going to add that to the first number, which is what? 13. Everybody see that? Okay, do we know what to do from there? Yes. Now, check this out. I get my number line going, so like that I can get that one out of the way. So here's my number line. We start at 0. And my first number tells me to go 13 steps to the right. So I'm just going to take a giant leap, and I know it's 13 steps. Okay? But from there, it tells me to go what? 21 steps back. So that means I'm going to go 13 steps up to right here. Is that correct? Yes. And then from there, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So let's see where I land. Let's see, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. So the answer for this is negative 8. Everybody see how that worked? Now check this out. That was using the number line. Let's use tiles. How many positives? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we got 21 negatives. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Identify all 0 pairs. Do you guys see them? Right here. And we're left, we should be left with 8 negatives. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negatives. There it is, negative 8. If it's too large of a number, yeah, well, I'm going to let you guys do whichever method you want. But right now I'm just giving you guys some practice. And the last one, what is the last method, absolute value? Oh, right here, sorry. We don't use this one anymore, we're right here. Absolute value of 13. 13. Absolute value of negative 21. 21. Since they are different signs, what do? We subtract, and 21 minus 13, that's 8. And the biggest absolute value was 21. What sign was that originally? Negative, so this is negative 8. Okay, let's do this one together also. What's my second number? So the opposite is negative 4.1. And that means we're going to add, and my first number was negative 6.7. Okay? So, since these are decimals, we're not going to use a number line. Let's use absolute value. Absolute value of negative 6.7 is 6.7. Absolute value of negative 4.1 is 4.1. since they are the same sign, I want you to draw this arrows like that so you remember. So you remember, if they are the same sign, therefore we're going to add these two. Okay? To avoid mistakes with decimals, I want you guys to stack these two. 6.7, and then underneath we write 4.1, and make sure you align the decimals. Align the decimals. We add those two. We got 7 plus 1, that's 8, and 6 plus 4, that's 10. So therefore this is 10.8. We're not done yet. They have the same sign. What's the sign? Negative, and that carries with the number. Piece of cake. All right. Example number, let's do another one of these with decimals. First step, the opposite of the second number. What is the second number? So the opposite is negative 5.3. And we're going to add to the first. What is the first? Negative 9.6. 9.6. Okay? From there, absolute value of negative 9.6 is 9.6. Absolute value of negative 5.3 is 5.3. Then you point the arrows to remind yourself that they're the same sign, so that means we're going to add. So therefore, 9.6 plus 5.3, this is 9, and this is 14. And since both of them are negative, this is negative 14.9. All right, so let's go on to problem number 4, example 4. Example 4. Did everybody copy it? Okay. Think about the first step. Do the first step. Do the first step. First step only. All right? Turn to your neighbor and see if they got the first step correct. First step correct. Okay? Let me ask somebody to help us out. If they, what was their first step? Natalie? So change the second one into a negative. So what do I write? Tell me what to write. Two and 7/10, because this was a positive and the opposite is a negative. What do we do next, guys? Add to the negative, which is the first number, negative 2 and 3/5. Okay? Now, before we do the next step, which is the absolute value, I'm going to switch these and make them into improper fractions. Do we know how to do that from the warm-up? Yeah, right? Okay, let's do that. So what is 5 times 2? Plus 3. So this is negative 13 over 5. Plus, this stays the same, so it's 10 times 2, that's 20, plus 7, that's 27 over 10. 10 times 2 plus 7, that's 27 over 10. Okay, now we can do the absolute value. Let's do that next step. Absolute value of negative 13.6